Okay, now we're on the first floor here. You can see we had to replace this entire wall with new wood. I used 2x6s so we could get more insulation in there. Plus we replaced the old 2x4s, which are actually 4 inches. So we just made the wall a little thicker, and it all worked out. I had to notch these joists a little bit more for the back wall here, just to get the 2x6 to fit in. Oh no, actually back here I left the one of the original top plate boards and just replaced the bottom one. But to get it square, you can see the chain wrapped around the strongest member there in the corner. This is just the addition behind us. The only reason it's still on is because we've had rainy weather, so it was just a way to work out of the rain. But this chain goes down. I'm just using a couple 2-ton come-alongs here, ratchet come-alongs. So there's the one that goes to the second floor, all the way up through the hole in the roof, all the way down. Those are two 20-foot chains. You can see that chain there is almost doubled back on itself, so it's plus the length of the come along, so we're probably at 35 to 40 feet. And this chain is wrapped around the new 6x6 that we replaced. This 6x6 was the original 6-inch by 6-inch dimension. I replaced it with actually 5 lengths of pressure treated 2x6 with one running on bottom, just to give it another insulator between the concrete piers or the brick piers. I also put metal in to help prevent termites from coming through. Back here in the addition, we're going to rebuild this addition using modern construction practices with 2x10 floors. So where I have a jack here and here, I'm going to add another pier just for more strength so nothing sinks again. And over on this entire length of the foundation, I'm going to dig out, pour a footer, and rebuild it, because you can see how much this is sunk. That's about 3.5 inches right there. And we're not quite level. I'm still a 1/4 inch off, so I still have to jack it up another 1/4 inch. And I've got a jack right there. I got to get another jack down this side. This plywood is just tacked on, so it's allowing the house to kind of bow a little bit, but I don't like that, so we're going to get another jack. And then all the way up under, we'll get under here, dig down 3 feet, pour some concrete, lay the block, set the house down on it, make sure we got our metal between the new concrete block, stop the termites. And last thing before we start putting new electric and plumbing and all that in here, we're going to have a termite company or a pesticide company come and treat the all the wood with a borite treatment, which will kill anything that tries eating into it. And then once all the construction's done, I'm going to have them come back and treat the foundation with all the new foundation that we put in to prevent any further termites from infesting the place. But I haven't seen anything live as of right now, so I think it was treated before we bought it when they realized there was a problem, but too little too late. And this addition back here, we're going to tear it down and just build a regular foundation, block foundation all the way around it. But this is the leveling process and the square process. That wall there tends to tip this way towards us, so once I get this wall squared up, I'm going to plywood this entire wall, even between here and the main house. Once the addition's back here, it's going to be a master bedroom, bathroom, suite area, so the plywood will help stop noise from coming through the first floor living area. People like the first floor master, so we'll give it to them. Alright, stay tuned for more videos to come. Lots of work ahead.